I think that this is something that we can all agree on. When we make a YouTube video, put all those time and energy in creating the video, and when you upload it, nobody watches it. Sometimes when we're making videos, it takes us hours, if not days. It gets no attention. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 10 mistakes that you might be making that's stopping your videos from blowing up. And I'm going to be telling you also how to fix those mistakes so you can get as much views as possible. Watch this video to the end. Welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, welcome. If you want to learn how to start a YouTube channel or just to grow the YouTube channel that you already have, you're in the right place because I'm here to help you grow your influence on YouTube using your videos. Whenever this happens, it's because there's a lot of things going on behind the scene of your videos that you have no idea about that is turning people away from your videos. So let's get into the reason why your videos aren't getting views and how we can fix them. View velocity. This is how the YouTube algorithm measures how much people likes your video. How this works is that YouTube measure your audience, which is your subscriber base, and how much views you get on a video within the first 24 to 72 hours of that video being uploaded. I am sure you always hear promote, promote, promote. Promote your videos within the first 24 hours of your upload because that's when you want to get the most traffic to your videos, the most traffic as possible. And guys, this is exactly why doing sub for sub is not a good thing, because if you have 2,000 subscribers and when you make a new upload you only have 10 views from your subscribers, this does not help your video. It does not help you. This actually keep you from getting views, and it also keep your channel small. And also, whenever you don't have a particular niche, this plays a major role in not getting views on your channel, and here's why. So if on your channel you do gaming videos, but then you also do cooking videos, chances are whenever you upload a cooking video, your gaming subscribers aren't gonna watch. And whenever you upload a gaming video, your cooking subscribers aren't gonna watch. So you see how not having a particular niche can really work against you? So let's say some of your subscribers who are there for gaming do watch some of your cooking videos. Chances are they're not gonna watch it to the end. This in return is going to hurt your retention rate. Then YouTube is not going to promote your videos because they have low views and low audience retention. And you can fix this problem by having a particular niche. And if you have problem finding a niche, knowing what your niche is, watch this video after you finish watching this one. And the next thing is, if you cannot identify the best keyword to target, do not target keyword with hundreds of millions of video results. Instead, try to target keyword with just a couple million video results. That will give you a chance to rank for that keyword. For more detailed information on how to rank your videos in search, watch this video. When you do this, it will help you to get more views and to grow a subscriber base that's going to help you in the future with your videos. And that's how you're going to start growing. Also, what you want to do whenever you research a keyword and you decide to use that keyword as your title, be sure to use that keyword also as tags. This is going to drive more views to your videos. To be successful on YouTube, all you have to do is think about the audience that you want to target and create videos for them. And also understanding the YouTube algorithm so that you can get it to work in your favor. If you want to learn about that more in details, I also have a video on that you can watch after this one. If you learn these things that I just covered in this video, you'll be on your way. And if you want to learn how to grow your YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss a thing. I'll see you in my next video.